Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola Rodriguez, and today I'm going to teach you something from Cricut Design Space. They came out with with new features here in Design Space. I always say that this is the easiest designed software that I know comparing to other softwares. Like I learned here how to design digital only. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they work if you're new with Cricut and you want to learn, then keep on watching. So I'm going to select these two to show you what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to show you how they function, how they work. I'm going to show you how Weld works. If you don't know how it works, unite, subtract, intersect, and exclude. These are the new features. I'm going to select these two and let's see how unite works. I'm going to click unite and this is how it works. It will unite the circle and the square, but you can see how the circle and the square are visible still. This means that you can, if I click here, you can undo unite. Okay, if you are used to working here in design space, unite it's not the same as weld, and I'll tell you later how weld works. Okay, because I don't want to confuse you. So I'm going to undo unite because that's what you can do, and um both of them will become the same color, but that's how unite works. You can unite a lot of stuff like this and separate too. Okay, like weld. Next, I'm going to overlap this circle here, select these two, and let's try subtract. Let's see how subtract works. So I'm going to click subtract. And what happened is that the circle that I put over the square was deleted. And it gave me right here a half moon. Okay, that's what subtract means. You are going to subtract what you overlap. Okay, you are going to subtract what you are going to overlap, but you can click, if you don't like that, you can click on undo subtract, period. Okay, I'm going to leave it as like that, subtract, so you can understand that that's how subtract works. Okay, so let's continue. I'm going to select these two again, and I'm going to try intersect. Let's see how intersect works. This is how intersect works. It will only leave the what you put over a a shape, an image, a word. Okay, so you might say, you can do that with a slice. With slice is not the same. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to select these two. I'm going to duplicate them so I can show you how subtract, how slice works. Come on. Oh, it grouped them. Okay, sorry. Duplicate. Okay. Ooh, it duplicate over there. Ooh, that's weird. Okay. I'm going to put this over and I'm going to select it and click slice so you can see how slice works. This is how it works. Slice only, not only, slice leaves you with everything. when you when you um when you do intersect, it will erase the circle and the square, the rest of the circle and the rest of the square, leaving you with the middle. Okay, so when you use slice, this is how it works. This is what it does. Everything is apart. Okay, so if you only want to stay with the middle of something, then you can use intersect. Okay, but now you can see the difference of slice and intersect. Next. Same thing. And exclude. Let's see what exclude does or do. Exclude do. Okay, whatever. All right. Here it will delete, erase the middle of the circle and the square. Okay, what you overlap. Okay, this is what happened when you use exclude, because you want to exclude what you overlap. Okay, so you can see the difference here. It's not slice. It's not the same. Exclude is exclude, and this is together. Okay, slice is something else. All right, I'm going to show you how Weld works. I know a lot of you know how it works, but I want to show you something else. So I'm going to click Weld, and this is what's going to happen. I click here, right? You can see right here, Weld result. When you weld something, it becomes a picture. That's how I say it. Like, it becomes one thing. When you unite something, you can see it right here on the bottom, it's not totally united. Okay? So, when you weld something, you cannot go back. When you use unit, you can go back. You are able to go back. What happened if I unit something and, oh, this is good. I want it forever. I'm not gonna change it anymore. So if you want to, I'm going to click combine again, and I'm going to click merge layers. And this is gonna work as weld because you cannot go back. So I'm gonna click merge layers, and here it is. The same thing. I guess you can do, you can do the same thing here, even though there's no layers. And you can do the same thing with the rest. Not this, because slice do not have that option. But that's how it works. Payola, but how can I fix this if I welded or I merge the layers? Then you just go back. Just go back. And ta-da! Here's unite. And here is the rest. No, subtract. Okay? Even though if you use weld, you just go back. That's the best solution for weld. Another tip for you. If you use weld, okay, and you save the project, and then you open the project the next day, and you want to edit the project, you are not going to be able to edit the project if it's already weld. Same with merge. layers. Okay. If you are planning to edit the project and you want to save the project, it's better for you to not weld the project. Do not weld the project if you are planning to edit the the project, whatever the design, whatever you're doing, Okay, so yeah, that's all. I hope you understand. I hope you like this, and I hope it's helpful for you. My name is Paola Rodriguez. This is my English channel. My channel in Spanish is called Creando con Paola, which I have 13.4K subscribers. So leave in the comments what you think about it. If it's good that Cricut did this, do you like it? How do you feel about it? I would love to know, and and so we can chat in the comments. Okay, I'd love to know people's opinion on this. Do you think they are going to change these bars too? Because they look weird, with this one. This one looks like a part of an iPad. That's how I feel. So let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. A lot of things are coming on the way. So stay tuned. All right. Thank you. Bye.